Okay, I'm Nolly Varioso for OPNB Worldwide. Question is for the newly crowned Miss Asia Pacific International Philippines, Gabriel Galatia. Okay, my question is, what does your new uh, title, Miss Asia Pacific International Philippines, mean to you?
Wow, that is such a beautiful question. Thank you so much for that. Well, being able to represent the Philippines definitely is a privilege that I will not take for granted. When I joined my previous pageant, I was able to place high, and I was very happy with that since it was my first ever national pageant. But being able to be given the opportunity rather to represent the Philippines is really something that I will treasure. And I think that this is for the little girl within me who would see beauty queens on stage and dream that she would also be able to step on that stage. So I hope that I'll be able to make that dream as well for others.
Okay, personally, to whom do you want to share this sort of celebration?
I'd want to share it with my family, of course, with my mom. She's actually right there watching. I'm really thankful for my mom because she's really like actually a sister to me. She's the one who was able to really support me throughout my entire pageant journey. She's the one who pushed me actually to become a beauty queen in the first place. I wouldn't have joined without her. So I'm really, really grateful for her, and I hope that we share this win together.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
to our Q&A participants. Please kindly approach the mic. Please don't be shy. Just state your name and your affiliation, and then you can ask your question for our newly minted queens.
Hello, good afternoon. Wala kang hugot. Sir Yelvin, congratulations.
Introduction, Edge.
Yeah, I'm Edge Tenoria, pure Filipina. I'm from pageantology. Ayan. Michelle, tumatawa ka. Dahil dyan, the question is for you. Can you share the story behind this appointment as Miss Tourism International Philippines?
Well, the story is in the last Miss Grand, I got Miss Tourism World, and unfortunately that kept getting postponed. And then this opportunity came a few weeks ago. I got a phone call from the organization if I was willing to take up this opportunity. And of course, syempre, I eat, breathe, live pageantry. It's been my entire life. And of course, syempre, I want to make my country proud. I want to represent the Philippines once again, and of course, why not do it on the international stage? This will be my third pageant, and for me, my last pageant. I want to end it with a bang, and hopefully, we'll win. Not hopefully, we'll win. I will take that crown home. Ayan. And of course, I mean, with everything that's been going on in the news, and with topics running rampantly through our media, I want to prove that I eat, breathe, live the Philippines. I am Pinay. It's not just about my blood. It's not just how my skin. It's about my heart. Pinoy ang puso ko, and I want to show that on the international stage. Thank you.
Right there. Thank you so much. Congratulations again, Sir ALV.
Sino ba? Who else?
Yeah. I know, actually, I went back to Thailand to
Good
be
afternoon. For Olivia Grace, yeah, congratulations. My name is Ferdy from Eventology. Sabi mo kanina, kakayanin namin ang back to back to back. So, how would you prepare considering that the panel is still on November ba? Tama ba ako?
Hello po. Thank you for your wonderful question.
Well, the pageant is in November, and I promise to do my best and to jungle it with my academics as well. And this is such a privilege for me and also for Sultan Kudarat. And I will promise to make you all proud and bring back the first ever back-to-back-to-back victory. Thank you so much.
Right, we have our next question. Name and affiliation, please.
I have a question. This is from Reina. And, okay, ALB said ambition is important, but also dangerous. My question is, during your reign, what do you plan to have accomplished? No, for all of them. No, sorry. Miss... I think, Miss Asia Pacific.
So I'm someone who is very passionate about abuse survivors. I'm someone who is a survivor myself, and I hope to be able to bring that not only to the entire Philippines but to the entire world. I want to be able to raise the voices of these people, and I hope that throughout my entire reign, I'll be able to do so, and I'll be able to do more than what I already have.
Thank you so much. My second question is, we recently have issues about hobbies. For you, is it important that one knows how at least understand Filipino language before being able to represent Philippines, Miss Interglobal Philippines?
Definitely yes. I think when we are going to represent one country, we need to study the language, the culture, and how we can show how proud we are to represent that country. I truly believe that we must give so much respect to the Philippine sash because